Good morning everyone from Legnica. So today we will take the train to the next place, Bolesławiec. And the weather is amazing, so I can't wait to walk to the train station and then go to another beautiful Polish town. Made it to Bolesławiec, guys. Such a calm place. I will walk to my guest house first and then we will explore. Look at this weather. Love this. Okay, I'm already in love with this place. It's amazing. I know it's famous for its pottery, and that's brilliant. But have you seen and experienced the city? It's stunning.
Mam rezerwację?
Rezerwację na nazwisko?
Linke Nikolai?
Jest coś.
So I just sent Debs a photo of Rynek here. Debs, you know, the woman who lived in Kraków with her family for 4 years, who is now back in The Hague and got a big box of Bolesławiec ceramics as a goodbye present. She loves those. So, and she cannot wait to open the big box when they finally move into their new house. She has been waiting for it for almost a year now. But I sent her like the photo of Rynek because I knew they were here in the summer. But then she was like, yeah, we arrived late night and then in the morning we went to the factory and then we went to Kraków. But now she has seen the beauty and she said we will stop there again when we are on our way to Poland and then we will see the town because it's so worth it. And maybe most tourists come here for the ceramics, of course, but wow, this place, because I know how beautiful the ceramics are. I'm not going to visit the factory though. I will just explore and experience this amazing place. Like really, it blows me away. Another stunning town in Poland. I think I will have to make a top 30 of places. These were the walls.